Hey, it's Candy. Welcome back to my channel. It's Loot Crate time finally. Loot Crate had some issues this month with their manufacturer for their t-shirts, and so a lot of us got our boxes really late. We usually get them at the very end of the month. We didn't. Alright. Oh, hold on. You guys can't see into the box. Not much to see. Let's dig down and grab the flyer. Explore. Alright. Did we not get a... we didn't get a little pamphlet. We just got a little card. Here is what the box looks like. Looks like you can turn it inside out and have this super awesome space scene. I love that about Loot Crate. Alright. Oh my god. I'm freaking out right now. This is a Big Daddy from BioShock. I have been searching everywhere for a Funko Pop Big Daddy. I can't find one. Tiffany Cushenberry has one, and she showed it to me on stream one day, and I was like, oh my god, I have to have it. I can find them on eBay, but they're like $70, and I'm like, I love Funko Pop, and I love BioShock, but no. It's a Big Daddy! I'm so excited for this vinyl Big Daddy. You have no idea. Like, BioShock was one of my favorite. BioShock and BioShock 2 were one of my favorite games. I loved both of them. BioShock Infinite is a whole nother hate story. I'm sorry, Sean. I don't like BioShock Infinite. I don't think it fits the BioShock world. We can argue about it when we go to dinner this week. So that's the first thing I'm going to show you, even though it's not the first thing on the list. Here is a Guardians of the Galaxy calendar. I might actually hang this in my room. I love Guardians of the Galaxy. I just watched Volume 2 on Netflix. It's so good. I was like surprised because a lot of people are like, oh, the second one's never as good. It was really good. I thought it was really good. Here's the loot pin. Again, this is December 2017. Like I said, we usually get this at the end of the month. I got this yesterday. It's a little rocket ship. I need to start putting those together. So there's the Star Wars Adventure graphic novel. This is exclusive to Loot Crate. It's so funny to me that Disney now owns Star Wars. It's just, you think those are two of the biggest companies in the world, and now they're together. Like, it's so crazy to me. Okay, so that was the graphic novel. The Loot Crate exclusive Guardians of the Galaxy 2 mini wall calendar. So this was a mystery loot drop. They got me on the head. This is like the best thing that I've ever got in a Loot Crate, like for real. I'm like, I think you can tell I'm over the moon about that. And this month's t-shirt is Destiny 2. If you don't know what that is, it's a video game. My friend Jung plays it a lot, actually. So he will know what this is pertaining to. I feel like I'm going through this box super fast. I apologize. I kind of want to check out this Big Daddy, though. Oh, wow. He's so cute. I know he looks mean and scary, but I believe the Big Daddies are good guys. That's my opinion. If you've played BioShock, you tell me what your opinion is. I think the Big Daddies are good guys. But you tell me. So that's the Explore, December 2017, Loot Crate. I feel like this one's a little, like, hey, it's December, we're gonna take half the month off, let's just throw some shit together. Is that bad? Like, I don't, like, usually there's a really cool pamphlet inside, and they explain everything, like, really, like, I don't know. You guys tell me. You've seen a couple of these from me now. I did just up my subscription. I had a 6-month subscription. I upped it to 12. So my next box will have 1 or 2 bonuses with it, so we'll have to check that out. But I'm excited. I do love Loot Crate, and I just opened the Sanrio Loot Crate too. I don't know if I might release these together, or maybe not. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Anyway, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Let's explore.